Today, I transformed the latest version of the Honda Civic using AI and Photoshop. Here are the best designs. In the first design, I modified the front of the car. It received a completely new headlight and a black design stripe. I slightly narrowed the grille and created a very spectacular arc all the way to the light. The air intake design has also become much more spectacular. The side of the car was not modified at all. In the second design, I touched almost every part of the car. I also touched the most characteristic part of the Civic, the black design arc between the hood and the bumper. It became much narrower and more aggressive, and the design of the Honda logo was very good, which was emphasized by a central stripe on the hood. I completely changed the bumper as well. The air intake got a new side arc, and the bumper got a black lower wing. The side of the car received a black sill, and I slightly raised this side arc. I was curious about what the Civic would be like if it was much more compact. I wanted a slightly larger and much sportier car than the Honda Jazz, retaining as much of the Civic's characteristics as possible. The front of the car received a completely new bumper, and contrary to the previous design, I did not narrow the black design on the arc of the light, but pulled it even larger. The side also received a black design element. I made this Civic based on the designs of current electric cars, so the front is much more aerodynamic than the previous designs. The light got a new design. It also received a running light, and the side got a small black design element. I also made a luxury sedan like Honda Civic. I made a much cleaner and more authoritative form for it. I edited the front until it became a bit like Audi, even though I didn't use any Audi elements at all. The car itself became longer, and the side received a very nice white sill as well. I also experimented with the rear of the Civic, but perhaps I went too far. I wanted to make the rear of the car sporty and eye-catching, which turned out so well that it ended up looking more like the rear of a top-tier luxury car than a Civic. But I liked it so much that I didn't want to leave it out of the video. I say goodbye with this beautiful design. Write in the comments which design you like the most and what kind of video you would like to see next. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.